Welcome back to Iggy's Kicks. Here are the Viberemakelab Royal AJ1 High 85s. I'm gonna get them ready for wearing purposes. So let's take out the tree trunks. And let's get these wax laces off, as I'm gonna add some elastic laces so then they're easy to slip onto. These wax laces are a little tough to take off and a little thick. Other shoe. Do you prefer wax laces with that luxurious look? I don't really like them because they're a little bit too stiff for my liking. And I'm also gonna upgrade the insoles for more comfort walking. I got both the elastic laces and the insoles from AliExpress at affordable pricing. That's why I get them. These are the insoles. It'll cost you around $2 to $5 from AliExpress. They're very squishy and soft. That's why I like them. So first things first, I gotta compare it to the original insole and cut around the original insole for better fitting. And this is how I do it. I just put them together and cut around to match the sizing. I thought about those Move insoles that Damian Lillard advertises, but they're just too pricey. But these under $5 compared to 40 to 50 to 60 bucks, depending on which insole you take, whether it's the everyday or the sports one. I just feel like spending $5 on insoles is best. And after the cutting, the placement is easy, as you can see. Right there, all good to go. Now onto the other side. Same thing. Rinse and repeat. Let me know what insoles you guys use, or y'all use, because the Jordan brand did make significant improvements from that blue foam insole to the Dream Cell. It's better, but it still needs work, in my opinion. That's why I get these insoles. Fits like a glove. Bada bing, bada boom. Insoles are good to go. Now onto the lacing. I always like to put my foot in the shoe while I lace the shoe for it to be the correct sizing lace, whether it be not too tight or not too loose. I like it to fit perfectly on my feet. Here are the elastic laces. They cost around $2 to $5 as well on AliExpress. And with high tops, I don't like to do the invisible ends at the top. I just like to tie it like a regular shoe for the same regular effect of shoelaces, but keep it elastic, of course. So it will look like it's tied up all the way, but it's still easy to slip on because they're elastic laces. First things first, you gotta make sure both sides are even on left and right side. It's a little tough with elastic laces, but I got it done. And then I always go left, right, left, right, left, right. That's the pattern I go. And I make sure the laces are flat every time. I go inside out instead of outside in. The only time I go outside in is for Nike SB sneakers. I don't even think I have any more SB sneakers in my collection. It is what it is. Have you ever tried elastic laces? It makes things much easier to slip on your sneaker when you're on the go. You don't have to wait, sit, tie the shoes up, unlace the shoes, loosen them up, tighten them up, etc. Elastic laces are a savior. I've seen other alternatives such as like the collapsible heel, which makes it easy for slip on. And then the fly ease with the zipper. I think that's just too much. Elastic laces does the job for all sneakers. For that slip-on purpose. Other than no lace Vans and whatnot. And there we go. It looks like it's tied up, but I can slip it on and off like a glove. On to the next shoe. The main reason why I don't have any Chucks or Blazers is because it was difficult to put the shoe on with the laces all tied up. But with elastic laces now that I know about elastic laces, it would make it easier to wear Blazers and Chuck Taylors. Thanks for staying with me throughout this video so far, even though I don't have much to commentate. I'm a very quiet guy, so I appreciate your company watching me get these shoes ready to wear. Yes, I would appreciate more comments and more likes on this video, even though I don't ask for that often. I am asking for help from every one of you subscribers or non-subscribers. What are your thoughts on replicas, fakes, customs? I know a lot of people hate them, but I think these customs are very nice as they are very close to the original 1985 sneakers and give you that vintage look. Here's how they look on foot. Do you like them? Do you not like them? I like the aged yellow sole. I'm tired of the coke white midsoles. And damn, these are fire. Here's a easy slip-on access with the elastic laces. What do you think? Comfortable insoles, easy slip-on, slip-off access. These shoes are ready to wear. Bang, bang. Bada boom, bada bang. Peace.